Charity 11. In a narration found in Imam Munzari's Awareness and Apprehension, number 2520, the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, advised the characteristics of a fortunate person. One of these characteristics is spending one's excess wealth in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted. Excess wealth is the wealth which remains after one fulfills their needs and the needs of their dependents without waste, excessiveness or extravagance. A Muslim should save reasonably for the near future and then spend the rest in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, such as charity. They should not spend it on vain or sinful things or hoard it. Hoarding wealth in reality makes it useless, as this practice defies the very purpose of its creation. Wealth which circulates in society is beneficial to all, whereas hoarding only widens the gap between the rich and the poor. And it in reality does not benefit its owner, as they failed to enjoy it during their life, yet will be held accountable for it in the hereafter. A Muslim should either avoid obtaining excess wealth or at least use it in the correct way. In addition, this advice applies to all of one's blessings, meaning one must strive to use all the blessings they have been granted in ways pleasing to Allah, the Exalted, and avoid using them on vain or sinful things. Vain things only lead to wasting one's precious resources, and it will be a great regret for them on Judgment Day, especially when they observe the reward given to those who utilize their blessings correctly. Finally, vain and sinful things only lead to stress and trouble in both worlds, as this causes one to forget Allah, the Exalted, as truly remembering Him involves using the blessings one has been granted in ways pleasing to Him. Chapter 20 Taha, verse 124.
And whoever turns away from my remembrance, indeed he will have a depressed, i.e. difficult life, and we will gather, i.e. raise him on the day of resurrection blind.